Hello, and welcome to today's session on LO1, Understand the Use of Websites and Emails for Marketing. Today, we will explore how businesses can improve their online visibility through the effective use of search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is a vital digital marketing strategy that enhances a website's ranking on search engines such as Google, making it easier for potential customers to find a business online. By understanding how SEO works, businesses can attract more visitors to their websites, increase engagement, and ultimately boost sales. This session will guide you through the key principles of SEO and demonstrate how it contributes to successful online marketing. SEO makes websites easier for search engines and users to understand. It involves algorithms to rank pages based on relevance and authority. Effective SEO helps businesses appear organically in search results. For example, a Manchester bakery using SEO could rank high for best cupcakes in Manchester. This visibility increases traffic and potential sales. SEO consists of on-page, off-page, and technical elements. On-page SEO includes keywords, content quality, and meta tags. Off-page SEO involves backlinks and social media presence. Technical SEO focuses on mobile friendliness and loading speed. Each component plays a vital role in improving search rankings. On-page SEO optimizes elements within a website. It uses relevant keywords and ensures high content quality. Headings and meta tags help search engines understand the page. Images with alt text improve accessibility. Internal links allow search engines to index content effectively. Off-page SEO enhances credibility through external activities. Backlinks from reputable sites signal trust to search engines. Social media engagement increases visibility. Positive reviews boost reputation and click-through rates. These elements build authority and improve rankings. Technical SEO focuses on the website structure and performance. Mobile friendliness ensures adaptability to different screens. Fast loading speeds enhance user experience. Secure connections protect user data. Sitemaps help search engines list all pages properly. SEO increases visibility and is cost-effective compared to paid ads. High rankings build trust and credibility. Improved user experience results from better navigation and faster pages. SEO provides a competitive advantage. Investing in SEO is crucial for business growth. SEO requires time for changes to reflect in rankings. Algorithms frequently change, demanding constant updates. Poor practices can lead to penalties. Keyword stuffing and duplicate content harm credibility. Ethical practices are essential for sustainable success. SEO makes websites discoverable and user-friendly. It combines creative and technical efforts. Writing good content and ensuring smooth site performance are key. Proper SEO increases visibility and engagement. It's essential for any online marketing strategy. On-page SEO gives full control over website optimization. It improves content quality and user experience. Challenges include continuous updates and keyword research. Poor management can harm rankings. Consistent on-page SEO builds a strong foundation. Off-page SEO relies on external factors for authority. Strong backlinks improve credibility and rankings. It requires cooperation and reputation management. Unethical tactics can lead to penalties. Ethical off-page SEO builds long-term authority. Technical SEO optimizes website infrastructure. A sound website performs better in search results. Challenges include technical expertise and maintenance. Proper technical SEO offers lasting benefits. It supports other SEO strategies effectively. Paid SEO offers immediate visibility and traffic. It complements organic SEO efforts. Challenges include cost and temporary nature. It doesn't replace organic ranking strength. Combining paid ads with organic SEO provides balance. White Hat SEO follows search engine guidelines. It builds a trusted online presence. Black Hat SEO uses shortcuts like keyword stuffing. It can lead to penalties and damage reputation. Ethical SEO ensures long-term success. Different SEO approaches serve various purposes. On-page SEO builds content quality. Off-page SEO strengthens authority. Technical SEO supports functionality. Paid SEO offers short-term visibility. ASOS is a leading online fashion retailer. Its success depends on online marketing and SEO. Evaluating these strategies shows their impact on customer reach. Brand awareness and sales growth are key outcomes. ASOS's approach offers insights into effective online marketing. ASOS uses digital advertising and social media campaigns. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok reach younger consumers. These campaigns generate strong engagement and visibility. Email marketing targets specific segments. Personalized communication drives repeat purchases. ASOS invests heavily in SEO for high visibility. On-page SEO optimizes product titles and descriptions. Off-page SEO benefits from backlinks and influencer mentions. Technical SEO ensures fast, mobile-friendly performance. These strategies enhance user experience and search performance. ASOS's online marketing and SEO are highly effective. They build a strong brand presence and attract a global audience. SEO drives organic traffic and supports growth. Online marketing boosts engagement and sales. Constant adaptation and investment are essential for continued success. Explore ebooks and journals for more insights into SEO. Resources provide comprehensive knowledge on digital marketing. Understand strategies for engaging the digital generation. Refer to guides on data protection and advertising standards. These materials support a deeper understanding of SEO practices. Refer to Moodle for additional resources. Further reading enhances understanding of SEO. For queries, email learner support. Assignments are due 2 weeks after unit completion. Engage with the materials for comprehensive learning. In conclusion, SEO plays a pivotal role in enhancing online visibility and user engagement. A comprehensive understanding of its components and strategic implications enables more effective planning and execution. Adhering to ethical SEO practices not only safeguards reputation, but also ensures sustainable long-term success. Integrating diverse SEO approaches optimizes overall effectiveness, while ongoing adaptation remains essential in navigating the constantly evolving digital landscape. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please text 07484 361,688, and a member of the UK Versity team will be happy to assist you. We appreciate your participation and look forward to welcoming you to the next session.